Hello and welcome to my MyTrendyPhone repair videos. My name is Steve and I'm going to guide you through the process of replacing the LCD and the broken back glass of the Honor 9. Be advised that my MyTrendyPhone cannot be held liable for any damage you cause during the repair. You will need just a couple of tools for this repair: the SIM eject tool, the metal spudger, tweezers, heating gun, Phillips screwdriver, some glue, and a spare screen and the back glass. Start by switching the device off and removing the SIM tray. Heat up the device and remove the back cover using the metal opening tool. Peel off the bottom portion of the protective film. You will use that later, so you don't need to remove it completely. Remove the following screws. Now, remove the upper metal shield so you can reveal the battery connector and unplug it immediately. Proceed with removing the loudspeaker assembly. Then, disconnect all the bottom flex connectors. Apply some heat to the front of the phone so you can separate the screen from the frame. You'll notice that the screen's flex cable runs under the battery, so you'll have to remove the battery first and then unplug and remove the LCD. Be very patient and careful. If needed, apply heat to loosen the glue. When the battery and the screen are successfully removed, clean the frame from the glue residue. Transfer the speaker grill from the old screen assembly to the new one. Do the same with the front-mounted fingerprint scanner. fresh glue all around the frame. Then set the LCD down and connect the flex cable with the motherboard. Now you can put the battery back. Use double-sided adhesive tape if needed. Reconnect all the bottom flex connectors that you unplugged earlier, and then reinstall the loudspeaker assembly. Replug the battery and put a metal shield back. Redo all the screws and seal the ESD protective film. Now you can install the back cover, which usually comes with the adhesive tape pre-installed. Once you have correctly positioned the glass, put some clamps on it until the glue dries. You can now turn on the phone and the repair is done. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section. See you soon with a new video.